Here's exactly what happens when you sell your home, and more importantly, where most sellers lose tens of thousands of dollars without even realizing it. My name is Russell Enyart with Enyart Real Estate Group. I'm a broker and former economics professor, and I'm going to walk you through the full selling process, step by step, so you can maximize your net and avoid costly mistakes. Step one is preparation. And this is where most of the money, in my humble opinion, is made. This means cleaning and decluttering, strategic repairs, fresh, neutral presentation, and most importantly, I've covered this before, pre-inspections. Getting your pest, home, and roof inspections done up front keeps you in control during negotiations. And remember, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. This is the most important step in the process. Most sellers think pricing higher gives them room to negotiate. But in reality, it could kill demand. In today's market, the goal isn't to test the market, it is to create momentum. The right pricing strategy can actually create competition, and competition drives your price up. I'm doing that right now with one of my listings. Once you hit the market, your goal is exposure. That means professional marketing. Open houses, private showings. The more buyers that see your home in a short window, the higher the probability of multiple offers. This is where things get very interesting and where the real money is made. You might get one offer or several. But here's the truth. The highest offer is not always the best offer. You need to evaluate price, terms, financial strength, and contingencies. And then negotiate strategically, not emotionally. Strong negotiation can easily add tens of thousands to your bottom line. Once you accept an offer, you move into escrow. This includes buyer inspections, appraisal, final negotiations, and closing. This is where deals can fall apart, and having a good agent is important, so having everything prepared up front gives you a massive advantage. In today's market, it's not about luck, and it's not about timing. It's about executing each step the right way, because every mistake in this process costs you money. If you're thinking about selling, go to www.enyarthomes.com right now. I'll show you exactly what your home could sell for and how to maximize your net. There is way too much to cover in a short video, but now you know the basics. Again, as a former economics professor, I can tell you the sellers who win are the ones who follow a strategy, not guesswork. Talk to you soon. Let's sell the right way together.